There's the ship, Carter. Royal Princess.
Welcome, baby. That was cool.
Now it's time for a room tour.
Alright, we just walked in.
That thingy.
What's that thingy?
This. Yeah.
Okay, tour's done. We saw everything.
Yeah.
Why don't you actually show us around now?
Alright, so here's the bathroom. Pretty small. Smells kind of weird. The bathroom. No, the shower, the toilet where you go pooping. And then the sink area, a bunch of shelves.
Okay, yeah, we get it. Let's go. Closet area. Life jacket. TV.
And then these are the beds, pretty small.
Where are you guys gonna sleep? Here's a bed for me and Daddy, but what about you guys? I guess you're gonna have to sleep on the floor over there. Where's your guys' bed? You don't know? Where do you think
Don't
you're gonna
even
sleep?
tell me we're sleeping.
Yeah, this opens up and then you climb up there and then we shut you back up in there so we don't have to hear you when you're snoring at night. You guys sleep in the ceiling.
Alright.
They're bunk beds that come down.
And then over here, Preston's medallion. I have mine on too. And then outside where you could enjoy the view and try to find animals. See animals.
Our balcony. And there's Port of Long Beach. San Pedro. She's in there
Bird poop.
barking orders at me from across the whole room.
Bird. Alright, so I'm gonna go show you something cool that requires.
Do I need to go with you?
Yeah, you do. No, you're the cameraman. No, try this. So look, close the door. So look it. So when you put your medallion up there, it shows. It allows you to go in. Only you are allowed to go in.
Amazing.
Did you know the cruise ship industry can be traced back over 100 years? In the early 1800s, it was cargo ships that began transporting passengers while also transporting goods. By the 1850s and 1860s, companies began making more luxurious ships that only focused on passengers and their enjoyment. However, these ships were not vacation ships like we know today. While fancy and luxurious, their main purpose was to get passengers from one place to another. During World Wars I and II, the cruise industry slowed down because the ships had to be used to transport troops. During the 1960s, what we know today as modern cruising began to emerge. The industry began focusing on cruising for fun, rather than just cruising for transportation.
What are you doing, Carter? Walking over the ocean? Whoa! The sky walk. Watch out, Preston! Walk in the middle.
It's a little bit sticky.
Wait till we start moving and we do it. I bet you it'd be worse. What do you think, Carter? It's pretty cool?
What are we doing right now?
Dancing?
We're setting sail, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What is your drink? What drink do you have?
Mama. We decided to have a sail away dance party.
trying to teach his grandma how to floss.
Shake it to the other side.